What's up, peeps? Today we got an unboxing of an 8-man M400 DLP projector. This thing should be pretty cool. It's a pocket size, built-in battery, auto-correcting, adjustable brightness DLP, 1080p audio. It's got a 5,000 milliamp battery in it. So this is an unboxing. So to unbox, we're gonna open this up, see what we get in the box. Kind of excited to see what this thing looks like. I've heard about these, and I was like, you know, getting ready to go camping. So there we go. All right, that box comes off like that. Okay, this is the unit right there. Let's see what else we got in here first before we look at the unit. Look at the unit. All right, so hello. Some contact information, instruction booklet, hooking it up. All right, and got one of those. It says accessories. All right, so there we go. That pulls out. Okay. Oops. Making a mess. Alright, so now we got accessories here. And accessories. That is plug. Okay. And this HDMI with some covers on it. There we go. And here's the actual power brick. So this goes on here, slides down, and that's your connector for power. So that's what you got. So you get a power cord, HDMI, and that's the accessories that you get there. Okay. Let's slide those over. Okay. Here's the unit. The 8-man M400. Ooh. Shiny tech. Yeah. All right. And first impression, shiny. It feels like it's got some good weight to it. Here are your connectors on the back. Power, reset, HDMI, USB out. And this is your audio connector right there, so you can do separate audio. Here's a focus wheel right here. That's a vent. There's a lens. There's no slide cover or anything over the lens. And yeah, it seems like you would have, you know, I think I would put a bag in here or something. And look, it does have a 3/4 on the bottom, so you can put this on a tripod, which is nice. Pick up a tripod for it. So I would have it in a bag. It's got rubber feet. And that's pretty much it. So what we're going to do is we're going to hook that into a phone. I got this cord right here, and that's going to go into that, and we'll see what we get. More to come.